Good morning. Federal Income Tax Tracker Spreadsheet. If your business is young and you are not paying for any accounting software just yet, you wanted to know what will work for your business, you could use a spreadsheet to track your federal income tax. We'll have a sample on our free download session on our blog ninasoap.com for you to download and look at it or use in your business as a start. You don't need to enter your email to access the free download, and I will put it there, and I believe I might adjust it to see which one will work for different cases. But the one we have here, Federal Tax Withheld record, could allow you, if you are just one person in your business, to track your income total wages and apply federal income tax. We are not calculating it here, but there is publication 15T that will give you a guidelines of how to what rate to apply on your salary, depending on how often you pay yourself or your staff members, and you can just use that rate to calculate your income, your federal income tax to withhold from your salary or from your employee's salary. Then we have a column for employee social security, and that's employees pay a part of it, employers pay a part of it. So you will withhold 6.2% from the employee's salary, and your business will pay 6.2% of social security tax as well. So the spreadsheet allows you to quickly calculate the tax for social security and Medicare tax. So Medicare tax, employees Medicare tax is 1.45%, and employer Medicare tax is 1.45%. So the spreadsheet automatically will calculate the Medicare tax for the employee and for the employer as well. And the spreadsheet will calculate the amount to withhold from your employees or staff members' income. And the spreadsheet will calculate the total that your business should match Social Security and Medicaid. The business does not pay employee income tax, does not pay federal income tax on the employee salary. You just pay Social Security and Medicaid. And the spreadsheet will calculate the total tax liability, which is the employee total tax withheld and the employer total tax as well. And the spreadsheet allows you to know the right amount to withhold from the employee's salary and what to match, and could easily calculate what to how much to pay the employees, like the net, which will be in our case here we are using $100 in our problem. That we pay to ourselves by our tax or business LLC. And when you take your total wages to that employee minus total tax withheld, you will see the amount to that's the net you will pay to your employee or your staff member. So the spreadsheet is not locked. You can add rows to it to calculate what you need to calculate to to fit your business need. And depending on the task form you are filling out, you might need more information or less. So this Federal Tax Withheld tracker is good, is helpful when you are filling up Form 944. And we are in the process of filling out Form 944 for 2020. And it is helpful to fill out Form 940 as well, and W-2s. So thank you so much for your time. Thank you all that watch our videos. Thank you all that listen to our podcast. Thank you for all your comments, and thank you all that subscribe to our channel. We will have the videos in a playlist on our YouTube channel for easy retrieval, and we'll have the descriptions on our blog, ninassoap.com. I'm Afiavi Ojune Libreman, creators of Lebanon Consulting L.L.C. YouTube channel, Lebanon Consulting L.L.C. podcast, ninassoap.com, our blog, and we do have our stores, natural product store, ninassoap.com, ninassoap.com, custom apparel store, liberlabel.com, retail store, resale store, liberoutlet.com, and digital product store, liberdownload.com. Thank you.